Like, still enjoy this comedy. You understand? Still enjoy this comedy. It's fun though. Make yourself happy. Don't forget to share. Comment. If na YouTube you dey, subscribe. One, love you.
Okay now. I don't come again, oh. Hey, when I don't see us, you just carry come my side. Okay now, make we read this logical teachings. You know, say that all these things like they inside these logical teachings. I want you to speak like Fina, all this Americana. I want you to speak like them. Let me start. You have to listen to what I am saying, because what we have today in the world is what compulsory making inside these biological teachings. Listen, let me tell you. I told you that if I teach you something finish, then you will go to your dictionary and look for it. It's very, very fantastic. And now, I want you to give me your 2 ears. Every now and then, then with you. All these things. Now, let me start one by one.
Continue.
OCHESY starry read.
Jesus!
OCHESY starry read.
Are you normal?
All this medicine, if you drink it, you will sweet you really for mouth. So if you take a fish, make you remember to go take a woman medicine, make you drink so that you will flush everywhere.
You will end up in my
This
dinner.
really, it makes sweet. This really sweet so well. You say make you eat or drink anything when it tastes like rare. Now we take out this and carry Congo. Or I may go for number 2.
Hey, I hear me, but me.
Number 2, Nasi. Ecological participation. Ecological participation. Now, we need the expert here. Now, the expert here. They should continue doing that because it helps. When you're visiting any place that maybe you want to visit, say you should continue visiting that place. Say it's going to help. You understand? So now, I want you people to pay me attention. You will give me your own examples, because this one I am giving to you is something that's coming out from the bottom of my heart.
You will move out of this house.
You understand? I teach it very well.
Continue.
Now listen, give me your ears. Let me complete this last one, and it's very important. Oh yeah, let's go.
Will you keep quiet?
Listen, homobiological primary chemical. Homobiologically primary chemical. Well, this one is very mouthy. This one is very mouthy. We should stop eating chemical food.
Are you normal?
We should stop eating what? Chemical food. That is not good. Example is sardine. All this fish, when they don't put for inside can, concealer, we'll come they use and they cook, they eat. You know that's not chemical food.
Jesus!
Now chemical food, and they use soya, so we should stop eating it.
Are you normal?
When we stop eating chemical food, they say we should continue eating natural food. You understand? Next time, I will bring to you people what you people will do assignments to me and submit on my team. Thank you so much. I am so excited and delighted to have you people here. Please, give me your attention. Bye-bye.